Looking for either this upturn break or my bad. Looking for either this uptrend break or this downtrend break. But I mean, on the daily or the weekly time frame, like I said, we've been bouncing and coming up to about here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do have room up here. But I'm gonna just take what the chart gives me, make my money and get out. If I don't trade now, I probably won't be able to trade at home. Maybe I'll trade on the way to the airport if I see a setup, but I don't want to force nothing. I'm just live streaming just in case I see something before I leave for work. Maybe something pops off before 7 or something, you know, so it won't be like yesterday, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to trade at work, but if I can peacefully, I will. Just, you know, seeing my setup, but yeah, I'm not gonna force nothing though. Reaching out, touch a stranger. But good morning. Almost. Reaching out, touch a stranger. Seconds till market open. I wouldn't be surprised if we're still bullish. Going off the higher time frame, but hey, who knows? Maybe we push down to 30 and bounce back up. Who knows? Where is 30? 30's down here. Remember, don't move your stop loss tight. If I take a trade, do not move my stop loss tight. Reaching out to touch a stranger. Electric eyes are everywhere. Dun, 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 dun. See that girl? She knows I'm watching. She likes the way I stare. They say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does it in me that way? If they say why? Tell them that it's human nature. Why? Does it in me that way? I like living this way. Whoa, that was a crazy close. That way. Why? Damn, did I miss my trendline rejection? Oops, so well. Why? I think I did miss my trendline rejection. Feels bad, man. I'm not even on my account. Good morning. It wouldn't have worked anyway. Wasn't even on my account. Here's Spy approaching the trend line again. Broke. That's nice. Definitely missed that trend line rejection looking at Spy. There goes 100 points. That was it for the day right there. Boom. $200. Good job. Spy still gotta get that 511. Damn. That was my trade for the day, bro. What the fuck? A trendline rejection. I didn't expect a move like that to happen that fast. I was just trying to check Spy, and then that shit was already done for. Whatever. Bro, these fucking bugs. God damn it, man. Especially with my situation, that would have been perfect move for the day. I'd close the laptop and be done. No retest, boom, sell, whatever. It's 7888300 today. SPY's rejecting the trend line, but I don't want to trade SPY, so if I miss a move, I just miss out on some money off eval, but whatever. I don't know how likely it is we push back up into 219. I don't even know if the play is valid if that happens, but we'll see. We're at the first 5-minute candle of the day, so. Who knows, we might push into 30,000 and bounce like I was saying. So I still think, well, I mean, I knew we had the break, but I still think we have room up, honestly. We'll see. I'm just wait and play a level of mine. Either this one or this one, whether that's puts, because you know at 30,000 it's gonna be hella volume. Good morning. Just hate when an opportunity like this, 217. Why? Because now it's like if we go back up here, it's like, well, why do we push back up here? Now I feel like it's even a bigger risk if we were to take sales right here, because it's like we pushed all the way back up. Well, you do have a doji right here, so maybe we have a low. Retest. I don't know, you know. At least we know we can aim for down here type shit. If we pushed up here, you know what I mean? But this is the trend line on SPY, so. This is the consolidation, but not around my higher time frame level. We already passed that. Now we just watch. Yeah, here's my level coming back up. Let's see what happens when we get here. If we get here. We know it's gonna be volume here, so we just gotta react. Depends if we sell. You kinda just gonna have to bite the bullet if I do sell here, which won't be a bad look, but it's just gonna have to basically just be me trusting the trend line break on the higher time frame. Maybe this is our lower high. I miss trading at home. We made no new. The trend line broke, but SPY is still like holding this trend line, so. Good morning. Yeah, Myers holding this level on SPY. That's not looking good for QQQ's sake. It's like, it really just depends how we react here. It's one of them things where I'm either going, it's just probabilities here, like, it's just gonna be like a retest of this level. Like, I'm probably gonna take it if we can, like, show, I'm not gonna lie, if we get up here and slow, like, the slightest bit of rejection, I'll probably take it Just taking that risk. 261 minus 216. 261 minus 216. 45 points. Here we go. We're gonna see how we react here as we push up. Because it's like we already broke the trend line, that's my theory, but I'm open to being wrong, you know, I'm not. You know, I just want to see if my read is correct. I just want to see how we react as we push up here. Waiting for the close. God damn it. I'm gonna take it. Let's see. Sells. So do a buy stop up here. Trying to work on having my stuff at a point of invalidation, like I said. Not having too tight of a stop. Only thing, oh my gosh. Yeah, we're gonna have to, so 192. We'll see. Until we close on the 5. It's a good doji. Is this girl finna come in here, man? She be getting on my nerves, bro. I'm looking at another contract. I gotta switch to my hotspot soon, so the connection of the stream might cut out. FY, but I got my stop in place, so. Oh, let me screenshot. It's not looking good for your boy. If I am stopped out, I know why. Cause it's not really like, yeah. You hate to see something like this when this was my setup perfectly, you know? Like when I'm getting stopped out, like you hate to see something like this because this was textbook on this one, on the rejection, but I literally just missed it, so here we go. Here's a stop. Just gonna let the market do what the market do, man. Here it is. I want to see his back below here. And I'm gonna have to clock out soon. So it's literally just gonna be letting my idea run until I get Wi-Fi again. But so far it's looking like this trend line is holding, so we'll see. Or not. So yeah, no, it's not looking good. Yeah. Yeah. But at least my stop is at a point of invalidation, I guess. This girl's gonna come in here. Morning.
Did you miss me last week?
Yeah, you weren't here.
It was my birthday.
It was? Happy belated.
Thank you.
That's crazy. I didn't get stopped out. It's actually crazy. Jeez.
You work all weekends, huh?
Weekends? Yeah, like Friday, Saturday.
I was gonna say any 4th of July plans?
Not really. Just chilling.
Just chilling.
Well, no.
What time do you work? In the night or?
Yeah, we're grave, but I actually am. Well, I guess you have plans. I'm going to Arkansas.
Oh, you're going?
Yeah, for a family reunion.
Oh, nice. When are you leaving?
Today.
Oh, okay. So you won't be here. Oh, you're not working this weekend.
No, I scheduled it off in advance.
Oh, okay, that's good.
So yeah, I guess like plans.
Oh, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Family.
Yeah. Uh-huh. I'm gonna let the stop do the work. I want to add if we can close below, but it's not looking good for me, honestly. This could be a big hit on my account. Hey, we didn't make a new high. Never mind. This my.